Hi there. Hey, it's Catherine Chess, and I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And I realized that a lot of my clients, hey, they were juicing. They were juicing. But that pulp, they would just throw it away. What a waste. So I developed these amazing crackers, and everybody's been asking for crackers. So it's a twofer, right? So all you do to make these crackers, this is a combination of celery and cucumber juice. I drink both in the morning, so I'm going to throw it in. It's about 2.5 cups. Just throw it in a bowl. I'm going to add some flaxseed. So my intention with this was to make it very hormone balancing. So I'm putting in some flax seeds. Flax seeds are great for estrogen levels. So but you must, when you do flax, you have to have them ground. And because otherwise you don't get any of the nutrients. But don't buy them ground. Grind them in a coffee grinder or your high-speed blender. Because if you buy them ground, they're probably rancid. They've been sitting around for a long time. I'm going to use some almond flour, but if you're allergic to nuts, just use some coconut flour. And then I'm going to put in some chia seeds. Chia is so good for your hormones. All of your omega-3s, they're loaded with protein. Same goes for hemp. So I'm going to put in about a 1/4 cup of hemp seeds, and I'm just going to scrape these out because, of course, you don't want to waste anything, right? So, and these are sesame seeds. So there's a lot of seeds, but no nuts, because so many of my clients, they're allergic to nuts. So this works out really, really well. And then to flavor it up, I just throw in some salt. And I love these. These are from Trader Joe's, and they're grinders. They just make your salt seem so fresh. And then I'm putting in some curry powder to spice it up. And the last ingredient is a jalapeno. Now I just chopped this pretty fine, but when you have jalapenos, make sure, and this is really important, make sure that you don't have seeds in it. So I'm going to stir this up, and we're going to just plop it out on some parchment paper, and then I'm going to bake it. But I'm going to really show you a cool way to put this together. See how fast this comes together? And then I'm just going to take my jelly roll pan, and I've got parchment paper, so I plop it out on my parchment paper, and then I'm going to spread it out and roll it out, but you're going to see how quickly this happens, okay? So I'm going to get all of this out on the pan, and then I'll just spread it a little. Watch this. This is delish. Now, I used to love crackers. Crackers were my favorites. Actually, my favorite was a Ritz cracker. But do you know what goes in Ritz? Oh my gosh, really bad oils. And on the package, they say that they don't have hydrogenated vegetable oil anymore. But did you know that a manufacturer only has to, they have 0.5 or less hydrogenated oils, they don't have to claim they have any. So I don't trust those crackers. Plus, they're full of gluten. So do you see what I just did? I just put another sheet of parchment paper right over this, so I don't even have to roll them out. I'm just using my hands, but you could use a rolling pin, but I just use a glass. So watch this. Boop, 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 boop. You just spread it really quickly, and you can see some of it got on the sides, but I'm just spreading it evenly in my jelly roll pan. I remove the parchment paper, beautiful. And sometimes these sides kind of get gloppy, so you can spread this out with your fingers. But what's so neat about this dough is that it doesn't stick. So it's really easy to manipulate. It's not sticky and gooey. Now, so just like that. And if you wanted to, you could just spread this and make it really pretty. You could make little crackers out of it already. You can kind of sear them and pre-sear everything. So I'm going to stick this into the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. And when it's done, I'll show you the finished product. Yum. Crackers, so simple, so easy, and gluten-free. Pretty cool, right? Look how these crackers turned out. They turned out so darn good. Yum. What I really loved about these was because there's so much moisture in the vegetable pulp crackers that the parchment didn't even need any oil and everything just lifted off so easy peasy. I put a little salt on the top to even make them a little more delicious. I'm gonna taste. Wow. Those just pop in my mouth, and I know they're healthy for me because they have vegetables. Yum. And if you like this, please subscribe to my channel. Click on over to my website, snag some more recipes at catherinechess.com, and I look forward to seeing you soon. I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love, love, love your life. I want to see you over there. Click on over. Bye-bye.